Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about is the approved used Audi TTS Coupe Black Edition S-Tronic finished in the modern turbo blue paintwork. This 2020 model comes with a petrol engine with 306 PS, quattro 4-wheel drive and automatic transmission, delivering a 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. The top features include these striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, large 20-inch alloy wheels with S-badged red calipers, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including TTS badging at the front and rear of the car, in addition to stylish TT badging on the petrol cap and a black fixed rear spoiler for that dramatic sporty look, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 305 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a day out road trip or big weekly food shop. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel. The front houses the multifunctional flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with the climate control, a central console and embossed front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. From here, you can also find connection of Apple Carplay and Android Auto. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the climate control offers an evenly distributed temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a gear shifter, a MMI controller, a cup holder, a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment with an additional cup holder, and a hidden phone box with a wireless charging pad and 2 additional USB charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.